This year we are celebrating 17th edition in the name of Toy Biz. Here only we displaying all Indian companies with their Indian products. It is the best opportunity to our manufacturer to showcase their product in large number of the customer. We can find out the all category toys under one roof.
दिल्ली में चल रहा है टॉय इंडस्ट्री का काफी एक्साइटिंग इवेंट। हाय, आई एम प्राचिका सैनी विद यू ऑल फ्रॉम एग्जीबिशन शोकेस मैगजीन एंड वी आर हियर टू चेक इट आउट। Hi, I'm Prachika Seni from Exhibition Showcase Magazine and we are here at Toy Biz International 2026 and we have a privilege to speaking with Mr. Ajay Agarwal, President of the Toy Association of India. We want to know more about the Toy Biz International 2026. Sir, start with the first question. Could you please tell our audience more about the Toy Biz International 2026 and what are the main key highlights of this event?
Okay, thank you, Prachi. This year we are celebrating 17th edition in the name of Toy Biz 2026. Our aim is to connect the manufacturer with the customer. So here only we displaying all Indian companies with their Indian products. We are not promoting any outside the India product and the exhibitor. So we are invited more than all the states, about 20,000 companies, visitors, including wholesaler, distributor, supplier, online stores, online markets, online platform. So this is the best opportunity to our manufacturer to showcase their product in large number of the customer. As far as international customer is concerned, so we invited more than 50 countries buyer for this exhibition. So I hope so ki about 100 customers are here from more than 50 countries. They are looking the product, they are interacting with the manufacturers, and they are placing the order to the manufacturers. So this is the golden opportunity to our manufacturers also. So they can book the order from different countries customer, and for visitor he can find out the all category toys under one roof.
Hi everyone, we're UA Toys and we are exhibiting here at the Toy Biz 2026 in Delhi. And this is our 16th year of exhibiting at the Toy Biz. So it's been wonderful, the crowd has been great, the organizing committee has been great, and I personally visited a lot of stalls here and it's been a wonderful experience. The footfall has been wonderful. We did not expect, the crowd to be this great, but it was honestly a very great experience. And it was lovely to see a lot of our own customers, who've been with us for the past so many years, come every year and visit us. So it was overall a great experience.
So, hi, my name is Anant and I am the founder of Anga Toy World, which was previously known as Rajans Industries, and this is my first time participating in Toy Biz, which is Toy Biz 17. Previously my father and my grandfather used to participate it. They are participating in this Toy Biz since more than 10 years and I really liked it. The response I'm getting from new customers, and which is not possible by staying at my comfort zone. I am standing here and working since morning and I'm getting good response. So which is good, and Toy Biz should continue more, as today I met many people from Gujarat, Kerala, which is not possible by doing touring as well, because I can do touring till my comfort zone. After my comfort zone it gets difficult. So Toy Biz is a really good experience for every manufacturer and trader, and I would suggest every manufacturer should participate in this, so that they can also get good experience in.
So my name is Pratyak Jain. I am the founder of Panda Originals. We are a toy brand. We manufacture toy, and we have complete variety of baby cradles, ride-ons, tricycles, baby walkers, scooters. We manufacture all the items in-house. So we are a Saibabad industrial area based company.
Yeah, so this is probably our first time exhibiting in Pragati Maidan. It's actually been an amazing time here. 3 days kaise nikal gaye we did not even realize, and it's for the first time that I'm actually attending clients, looking at new people, seeing them, talking to them, interacting with so many B2B people. Like, I feel like I am getting to know so much more about the brand.